In the UK, I'm a personal trainer, getting people fit in all directions, from weight loss to muscle gain, and I do a lot of boxing training as well. We both retired in 2024. We've always wanted to come back and travel to Southeast Asia. So we did our first month in Vietnam. Then we came over to Samui to meet our daughter as well. Our daughter was traveling as well, so we met her here. We went training then, so we joined a gym and we started training, and yeah, enjoying life and moving around, looking around Samui. I was doing Muay Thai training in Samui. Been doing it for some weeks. I was just throwing a punch, and as I was throwing the punch, coming around to connect with the pad, I felt just pain. Yeah, just felt pain. So stopped, looked at it, did the usual, and continued for a little bit and then stopped. Pain and discomfort, not being able to lift my arm, and brought me to the conclusion I should go and see a doctor. So went to Koh Samui, to Bangkok Hospital in Koh Samui. Checked my arm out, then they did an MRI scan on it, which they found out the full injury, and then suggested that I see Dr. Porntep up here in Bangkok and his medical team, and see could they help me. My biggest worries for my shoulder, with knowing the shoulder joint, was range of movement. I was hoping I'd get full range of movement back, because I still play lots of sports and I want to be able to continue to do that, as I'm only 61, so I was hoping to keep going. I chose Bangkok Hospital. One of the reasons was I was treated so well in the Bangkok Samui Hospital, and when they suggested that I come up and see Dr. Porntep, it was a no-brainer. You know, I thought, fantastic, go up. When I met Dr. Porntep and his team, that was it. I knew straight away this is where I wanted to have my operation done.
Patrick is one of my favorite patients. He got a big tear of the tendon, one of the tendon inside the shoulder. We call it rotator cuff, and it is like a big tear. And rotator cuff, you have 4 rotator cuff inside your shoulder. He torn like 4. Once the tendon was torn, the tendon was retracted away from the original attachment. So that made me worries about how we're gonna pull all the tendons, all 4 tendons back to the place that I have to, so that's why this is one of the most difficult shoulder surgery. So I prepare everything, every option, but he's like only 61 years old, and he's fit, he's active. He used to be a trainer, and he lives very active life. So a joint replacement or the tendon transfer, it's not a good option. That make me, has to go to the only one option is to I have to repair all the tendon successfully. This is the only option for me. A surgery we call an arthroscopic rotator cuff repair. So you repair tendon back to the bone using the what we call a pseudo anchor, and that's why the tendon will stay attached firmly with the bone, and then let the tendon heal with the bone itself. So now he's like 4 months. He almost returned to fully function right now. The procedure called an arthroscopic rotator cuff repair is one of the minimally invasive surgery. We don't really need to cut the tendon as like 30 years ago. But anyway, patient may need to spend a night or 2 in the hospital just to observe, just to manage the pain, just to relax.
On the morning after surgery, I remember waking up and going, I wasn't able to move my shoulder, you know, and then looked down, and then within seconds there was a nurse in with me, looking after me, explaining what I can do, what I can't do, you know, which was great. It was a great relief for me as well, you know, to know that I wasn't feeling untoward, that I was feeling the way I was supposed to feel. I was wearing a sling, but the sling kept very close to me. So I wasn't doing much movement for the first month. Then I came back to Bangkok Hospital again to have it checked out, have the stitches removed, and then I was told I could use the sling when I felt tired, but you know, not all the time. Then with medication as well, which I didn't take too much medication because I didn't need too much medication because of the job, the surgery was so good. You know, I didn't need too much medication whatsoever, and I try not to take medication if I can. Yeah, and then started doing my rehab after I got the stitches out, and yeah, then I could start rehab. I felt great afterwards. Surprisingly, I felt remarkable afterwards. I wasn't expecting to feel so good afterwards, you know. I felt pretty good afterwards after personally come out of 5 hours surgery. Yeah, felt good. Rehabilitation care after surgery was fantastic. Didn't have any time to dwell on anything, was looked after. Every hour I was checked on to make sure I was okay, that my arm was okay, that I wasn't in any pain. Really, I was looked after like a baby. Everything. From the minute you walk in the front door to the minute you leave, you are just treated so well. It's like a star. You know, from the cleaners, from the people who bring your food, nurses, doctors, everyone, fantastic. Make you really feel good, make you feel happy, and don't give you any time to feel down. You know, they lift you up all the time, which is great. I've never been anywhere like it. It's fantastic. Dr. Porntep, his bedside manner was second to none, especially for me because it was such an important thing. Shoulder movement is, you know, most range in the body, and I was worried that I wasn't going to get that back. And just speaking to Dr. Porntep, just made me relax, feel good, and the information, everything, nothing was a problem.
For the outcome of Patrick, he did really good. I mean, in terms of motion improvement, he got almost full motion in about like two plus months, and the strength now it's almost like 80-90% as compared to the normal at 4 months. So his recovery is impressive. For Patrick, I think the key element of the success is the surgery itself, because you know we have a bunch of instruments. We prepare every possibilities. You may think about to repair it, but when you go in, you cannot repair. You have to use another weapon to take care of the shoulder. The other important factor is patient itself. He's my favorite patient because he follow our instruction, everything in every time he came here all the way through from Scott Samui. He take care of himself. He went to the good physio. Any question, any problem, he sent me an email. It's just like, you know, we connected. I think the key is you cannot leave the patient. You have to stay with the patient 24 hours. You know, even though he lived like far away from us, but we have email, but we have like message, everything to address the problem, and we have to manage the problem right away. This is the key of success.
If you have any concerns about coming to the Bangkok Hospital whether it be in Samui or in Bangkok. Believe me, it's you've got to go. It's fantastic. The service is second to none. The people are second to none, and you'll get a job done. So don't be afraid, just come in and then speak to doctors, the team, find out all you can, do a little bit of research and set yourself at ease. Don't take my word for it, but I'd be coming here again if I had an injury. It'd be the only place I would go.